So, we lost the die roll here in round 1. And let's see wow. Our enemy opponent, sorry, chose to play first, so we're pretty fine about that, and we got ourselves a pretty decent hand. 3 lands and 2 spells. Yeah, that's pretty good. So no, I won't like to mulligan. Okay, let's see what we have. Let's see if we can steal a win here against black. Okay, and there's our 2-drop, so sure. Playing a swamp. And pass the turn. So, curving out here. Black red Soul Eater. Okay. That's pretty dangerous, I guess. So it's the black red burn deck, I guess. I'll play out a swamp and a place stinger. The immolating Soul Eater, huh? If he attacks, I don't block, I guess. Sure, attack. No, I don't want to trade. Let's see if he pumps it and for how much. I think if he thinks we're infect, he might just pump it more than once. Okay, he doesn't. So that might be pretty cool if he does that. Okay, enough lands, guys. It's enough like this. Okay. Attack with Plague Singer. And I think we'll play Rotwolf here. No need to play the Silver Replica, because I'd rather kill some other guy with it, and Rotwolf trades with the Soul Eater and gives us a card. So that's good. Doesn't block. And pass the turn. I don't know if I want to trade, because Instill Infection trades and gives us a card too. So I will see. I think he won't play into attack into Rotwolf, because that would give me a card and give me effectively 2-for-1 with the Rotwolf. Unless he has removal, of course. Full charge? No? Tormentor Exarch. Yeah, that works. Okay, does he kill the Rotwolf to get damage in, or does he kill the Plague Stinger? I think he kills the Rotwolf and beats. No, he kills the Plague Stinger. Okay, I'm fine with that. Does he bash? He does not. Okay. Copper Mirror. That's not really what we need. I guess we bash here. We bash, pass the turn, Instill Infection his Soul Eater. Take 2, I guess. I don't think he'll block, because either way I'm gonna get a card, and he really thinks we are. Wow, he blocks. Okay, he really thinks we are infect. So maybe that's also the reason he blocks, because he doesn't want to go to 3 poison. Sure, I'll draw a card. What do you got? Do you wish to visibility? Yes. Ah, that would have been better with a Plague Stinger there. I'll think I'll pass the turn. Yeah, sure. So I'm gonna let him attack me, pump it, and then Instill Infection it. So I'm not blocking. Okay. If he doesn't pump, I won't dementia bat. Sure. Okay. And still infection. Okay, spread the sickness. I might just use that on a dementia bat, cause I don't wanna discard 2 cards. Let me think about this. If he sacrifices it, what do I discard? Maybe. I think I want to save the spread the sickness here, cause if I kill it, then it would give me a card. Otherwise, he would just suck it and let me discard 2. But I think I'm fine with discarding 2. I'll just discard a copper mirror and I guess the copper carapace. So sure, I'd rather play a Tangle Hulk here and get some action going. So, and this way I can F6, which is very important, of course, like LSV says. I think he's gonna beat for 2, sure, and then he's gonna sacrifice it, and he time walks itself in for 2 damage, cause, or does he? Mortis dogs. Okay, that's fine with me, I guess. Phyrexia's core. Okay, let's bring in the beats and see what he has to say about it. So he has nothing about it. Okay, I guess we play the land. I think I'm gonna hold Copper Mirror and Copper Carapace for the Dementia bet. And 1, 2, I got 6. I gotta say, Mortis Dogs does hurt a bit. So maybe I'm gonna spread it. It feels so bad to spread it. I kind of want to hold on to the replica so he doesn't play around it. But passing looks weak. I can take another hit from Mortis Dogs. Maybe I'll shrink it with the Instill Infection. Sure. So I go to 9. If I Instill Infection, I go to 8. To 10, sorry. I think I'm fine with that. Any attacks? Okay, I'll shrink it a bit. Draw a card of it. Sure, okay. And then I'll take 5 and go to 10. And the Spread the Sickness just kills the Mortis Dog now, so that's good too. Pristine Talisman. Okay. And a follow-up. Decimator Web. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna Silver Replica that. Sure. Phyrexian Crusader. Interesting. So, my options here are 2 for... I'm always playing the Replica here. Or am I? I think I'm gonna attack first. See if he does something about it. Don't think so with 0 mana and no blockers, but hey. Declare blockers, sure. So he goes to 11. I'll play a Silver Replica. A kind of want to keep the Copper Carapace here because of the Phyrexian Crusader. But I think Spread the Sickness is obviously better, so we'll kill the web, play the Crusader, and hope he won't crack his Dementia bet. Otherwise we gotta discard the Copper Carapace, although I don't want to, of course. Let's see what he does. Don't think... I think in his... Okay, so he attacks with the Mortis Dogs. Well, I have a Crusader with First Strike. That would make me lose 3 life. Otherwise it would still make me lose 3 life. Mutagenic Growth, do I have to play around that? I guess. Yeah, I'm blocking here. If he has a trick, he has a trick. That would suck, but... I don't know how this works with the Infect counter on it. Here, okay, so it was 3-1. I put it down to 1 minus 2, so I only lose 1 life. That's nice. And take 2, pass the turn. No Fear of the Sun, so I can live with that. So he has no cards in hand, and I have 4 cards in hand. Okay, I think I'm gonna gear up the Crusader. Am I? He goes to 5 poison, then he's on a 2-turn clock. If I put it on the Tangle Hulk, he takes 7, but gains again 1 life again. I think on the Crusader it's safer. And attack. He goes to 5 poison. Next turn he goes to 7. Sorry about that. Needed to pick up a phone. So the first strike damage is done. And regular damage. Do I want... No, I don't want to play the Coppermere here. Because if he then decides to let me discard my hand, I lose the Spread the Sickness. And so that's not really going how I would want it to go. So we pass the turn and hope he blanks. If he picks up an Artillerize, I'm dead. That would suck pretty hard, but hey, can't do anything about that. So, but I haven't seen really good cards of him. I have seen Tormentor XR, which is reasonable, and the Decimator Web, but for the rest it's pretty mediocre. So he is attacking. Interesting. Okay. And interesting. Okay. I draw the Wellspring with the core. It's too late, but hey. Okay, I'm gonna attack here. And I think what I want to do here is I'm gonna target my own creature here, because if I target his Dementia bet, he can sacrifice it, and then the Proliferate won't go through. So I'm gonna blow up my own Tangle Hulk here. I guess. And proliferate him and give his Sphere of the Suns an extra counter. There you go. Okay, nice. Wow, so my deck can win against a pretty mediocre red-black deck, that is, but we were pretty short on playables to begin with, so I don't think we have much to sideboard into here. And these two are not interesting, so I guess I'll do it again and see if I can get through this round.